Miss Malas Mas?
Malas Mas.
I'm denying your visa application.
What?
Thank you.
Yes po.
Hi.
Anong ginagawa mo dito?
I was wondering if you could help me find my birth certificate.
Wait there. Incomplete information. Cannot process. Come back to me when you're complete.
I've never hooked up with a Filipina and never will.
Ay, sus ka, day. Ayaw mo sa Amerikano, ayaw mo sa Pilipino. Ano ba yung magiging boyfriend mo? Tao pa ba yan?
Kung maise-set up mo ko sa lalaking gwapo, mabait, hindi babaero, yun. Yun ang iset up mo sa akin.
Good morning.
Anong ginagawa mo dito?
It seems like you're being too nice. I mean, this has nothing to do with the visa, right?
No! Kayo talaga mga Amerikano. Akala nyo sa mga Pinoy mapagsamantala, no?
Marriage and kids. It's like a woman's way to tie you down.
Sinasabi mo lang yan kasi wala magkakagusto sa yung babae. Ang cute niya!
What were you saying? Speak English!
English yung mukha mo! Nasa Pilipinas ka, ikaw mag-Tagalog!
No wonder you don't have a boyfriend.
Sino namang may sabi sa'yo wala akong boyfriend?
Kung meron kang boyfriend, dapat siya kasama mo today. Not me.
Di ba sabi ko sa'yo tanggalin mo yung balat? Madumi yan! O ayan, pinagbalat na kita.
Salamat.
Wala yun.
What about this one?
For you. Sana mahanap mo na yung hinahanap mo.
Growing up, I always felt I belonged somewhere else. Being the only brown boy in town, I couldn't help but feel like I was different.
Basta. Mai-in-love lang ako sa lalaking magsasabi sa akin ng you complete me. Tumatawag ako pero...
What's wrong with you? You know, you're not even my girlfriend, and you already expect me to, like, give me my soul or something.
You are the one that I've been searching for my whole life through.
I don't have a heart that can love Sally!
Ayaw niyang tanggapin ang katotohanan na kahit sino ka pa, kahit ano ka pa, karapat dapat kang mahalin. Kaya ayaw mo rin magmahal eh.
Star Cinema proudly brings to the silver screen the love team you've all been waiting for. Tony Gonzaga and Sam Milby. Would you rather love someone who completes you or someone who loves you completely? You are the one. Love can't be denied.
Ngingiti-ngiti